So this is the box opening from KayleeNYC. I ordered the pound of malachite. I think they're tumbled or palm stones. And let's see what we got. This is my first time ordering. It's my first time ordering off Faire. Just want to see what kind of quality we're getting here. That's the intention of this video. If you like the content, like and subscribe. It's always a big risk when you're ordering gems online, but I think that the craft or the gem, what am I trying to say? The corporation, the Faire is a good alternative if somebody's not trying to do Amazon. So let's see what we got here. Happy holidays. Got an invoice. Confirms that it's the 1 pound natural malachite palm stones. Crystal nice quality. For about just under 100. Over 100 if you include the shipping and handling and all that. Looks like they're pretty well packaged. You can see that there's some stuffing here. And I think this is just a little goodie. Little something extra. Looks like some kyanite beads. Maybe, or a blue apatite. Some of them are great, you know, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 stones on there that are pretty great. The rest are kind of milky or impure. But that was the gift anyway. That was the freebie. This is the real deal here. This is the malachite. So, the moment of truth. After all this careful packaging, looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and remove it from this plastic bag here. Look at what we have on the inside. Looks like each of them are individually packaged once again in some plastic as just like another layer of protection, which is great because malachite is one of those super sensitive stones that even just the tiniest scratch really does some damage. So it has a nice glaze to it. I don't see any scratch marks. This is great. This is a great quality malachite. I can see actually in the reflection of the light, you could see some micro scratching, but nothing too damaging. Nothing unacceptable. We'll just open up another one here. Once again, pretty nice quality. Beautiful stone. I love that it's kind of focused around the one central swirl here. And once again, not a lot of scratches, so happy so far. Wanted to check out this one. It seems to be the darkest in the bunch. So that's a pretty cool, deep, dark, foresty green. And this one is kept up with the other two. So far, so good. I'm pretty confident at this point that the rest of these are also going to be amazing. But there's only one way to find out. Yeah, okay, so KayleeNYC, KayleeNYC, did a legit packaging, very carefully and intentionally packed the rest of these crystals. So it looks like I got, in this lot, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 10 of these palm stones total. So that will come down to getting one of these for $10. $10 a pop. Not bad. Not bad at all. Well done. Alright, up next in our box opening video, we have Crystal River Gems. I ordered a lot of Chrysocolla from them. They came in shortly after Kaylee. And let's open this up. So inside of that packaging, we have some more packaging, nicely and thoughtfully packaged. And here in the bag, once again rolled with the intention to keep things nice and quality-like. So we'll get this bag opened and then we'll check out the actual gemstones. So Chrysocolla is much like the malachite, very sensitive stone. I kind of like these jagged edges here on this cabochon because to me it gives it more of like a authentic look and feel. Pretty decent, I would say. I like the color. It's a nice pop of turquoise. Let's see what else we have in here. Looks like there's various shapes and sizes. This was a I got 4 times the 75-gram lot. So quick math, slow math, that would be like 300 grams, and I'm not sure how many pounds that breaks down to. But for about another $100 dropped on this bag here, we got in our lot quite a few different cabochons. They all look to be a pretty decent shape and cut. I even got one that's a teardrop, or 2. And all together we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 23. 23 cabochons for $100. Pretty decent size. I'm definitely gonna be able to flip this with my wire wrapping and make a pretty penny. Okay, I was just about to wrap up this video, but then I saw I got another package. This one is from Best South Gems. So let's check it out. I'm trying to remember what is in this box. I know we've got the Chrysocolla and the malachite from the other 2 gem vendors on Faire. This is the 3rd and final package that I ordered from Faire. It came a few days later, but this is kind of Christmas season, so expecting a late shipment was to be expected. I should have done something, prepared something more than just my car keys to be the scissors on this one. All right, so here is the shipping label and some stickers dropped out from the bottom. A little message from the vendors saying every shipment means the best. There's even a business card from Eli Best. That's very thoughtful. So in here we have a kilo of mixed cabochons, a Chrysocolla bracelet, and a red tiger eye bracelet. Let's see what it looks like. So I'm guessing this is going to be the kilo, and it's wrapped quite nicely, quite carefully. And we have the bracelets are in here, so it's actually a free gift tiger eye. Well, that's pretty cool. And then 2 red tiger eye bracelets. Those look like some pretty great quality. And then some Chrysocolla. I would say mostly great quality, although there's a few of the lighter stones or more grayish stones that are not as impressive. That's all right. My intention with those is to break apart the bracelets and then turn them into either pieces for earrings or for rings. Although I have lately even come up with a new design using the gemstone beads for a necklace pendant. Could use them for anything, really. I like repurposing jewelry. So this is well cared for. When it was wrapped, they really squeezed out all the air and gave it plenty of necessary padding, necessary extra padding. And it's funny, today is actually Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, depending on what country you're in. It's today is the 24th of December, so it does feel a little bit like I'm opening up a Christmas gift. And I can see all these cabochons are looking nice. I want to try my best to maintain the niceness and not let any of them get scratched around as I've unopened all that tight packaging. So the stones themselves are a varied assorted pack, and these few that I pulled out right away, like this Botswana agate, or maybe a zebra agate, I forget what they call that. I think that's a Botswana agate. It looks pretty nice. I can tell these are real gemstones because there are imperfections in the cut as well. It's as you can see with this quartz band here, it's three-dimensional in there. It's not just something that's been painted over the surface layer. Looks like there's a few thin chips or tiny chips, as well as some nice cabochons. I think that's actually a sunstone. Looks like a peach sunstone. I believe that's called the ocean jasper. So yeah, I would say all in all, these are some pretty decent quality cabochons. I'm excited to see if there's any. Looks like they're mostly like agates and jaspers and different kind of quartz, but they're all very cool designs. I'm not seeing at the moment anything that jumps out as like a super amazing specimen of stone. I see it looks like a charoite, or maybe lepidolite. I think it's a charoite. It's a little shiny though, or a little sparkly. Ooh, is that a malachite? Oh my gosh, if there's some malachite in here, I'll be pretty stoked. That was not a malachite. Let's see. You see a bloodstone in there. So mostly agates and jaspers, but of a pretty decent quality. Nothing as far as names of stones that is jumping out at me as something super duper fancy. Like I said, I did recognize a sunstone. Here's another one. Ooh, and I see there's a cabochon that's been broken. It looks like that was a sunstone. So unfortunately, that one maybe broke off in there, and I want to make sure. Ooh, this is nice. A little rhodonite. I wonder, I don't know how many total cabochons are going to be in here, but for, what was it actually? For $85 to get a kilo of pretty nice quality cut stones, I'm pretty happy with this. Look, there's even a nice little chevron amethyst. It's almost like a rose quartz amethyst. Here's another amethyst. So yeah, I am pretty happy with my first purchase off of Faire. Cool. I guess that's all for now. Bye for now.